હેલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આપ સૌનું આપણી આ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ પર હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે હું લઈને આવી છું ધોરણ 6 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ 7 બી અ ચેમ્પિયનનું સ્વાધ્યાયન પોથીમાં ભાગ 5નું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન. તો ચાલો આપણે આગળ વધીએ. પરંતુ તે પહેલાં જો તમે આપણી આ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલને લાઇક, શેર અને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ન કરી હોય તો જરૂરથી કરજો. એક્ટિવિટી 1. Read the given words and make meaningful sentences. First, teamwork. Teamwork helps us to do work better. Second, hoop. The boy jumped through the hoop. Third, race. I won the race, school race. Fourth, goal. My goal is to study well. Fifth, become. I want to become a doctor. Activity 2. Find rhyming word from the poem Teamwork. First છે teamwork. સો એની માટે રાઇમિંગ વર્ડ આપ્યો છે ડ્રીમ વર્ક. સેકન્ડ, ગો, તો એની માટે આપ્યો છે ટુ. થર્ડ, હોલ, એની માટે આપ્યો છે ગોલ. અને ફોર્થ, પ્લસ, એની માટે આપ્યો છે અસ. એક્ટિવિટી 3. અનસ્ક્રેમ્બલ ધ ફોલોઈંગ સેન્ટેન્સીસ. એટલે કે નીચેના જે શબ્દો છે એમને ગોઠવણી કરીને ફરીથી લખવાનું છે, વાક્ય બનાવવાનું છે. તો ચાલો જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટમાં, ધ હોકી ઇઝ કોલ્ડ વિઝાર્ડ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા ધ્યાનચંદ. તેનું સેન્ટેન્સ શું બને છે? ધ્યાનચંદ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ધ હોકી વિઝાર્ડ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા. સેકન્ડ, વોઝ ધ ડિટેક્ટર ધ 1936 ઓલિમ્પિક્સ એડોલ્ફ હિટલર ઓફ જર્મની ડ્યુરિંગ. તો એનું સેન્ટેન્સ છે એડોલ્ફ હિટલર વોઝ ધ ડિટેક્ટર ઓફ જર્મની ડ્યુરિંગ ધ 1936 ઓલિમ્પિક્સ. તે જ રીતે ત્રીજું વાક્ય જોઈએ. થર્ડ, ધ હોકી ફાઇનલ વોઝ પ્લેડ બિટવીન ઇન્ડિયા એન્ડ જર્મની. ફોર્થ, ધ ફાઇનલ સ્કોર વોઝ ઇન્ડિયા 8, જર્મની 1. ફિફ્થ, આઈ એમ એન ઇન્ડિયન એન્ડ ઇન્ડિયા ઇઝ માય હોમ. સિક્સ્થ, I am happy as a simple soldier among my own people. Activity 4. List of Hockey World Cup winners 2006 to 2023. અહીં આપણને આ ટેબલમાં 2006થી લઈને 2023 સુધીના જે હોકી વર્લ્ડ કપ વિનર્સ એટલે કે વિજેતા રહ્યા હતા એમનું કોષ્ટક અહીંમાં માહિતી આપેલી છે, જે આપણે અહીં જોવાની છે અને એના ઉપરથી પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપવાના છે. તો ચલો જોઈએ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ. First question, which is the host country for the 2014 edition? Answer, the host country for the 2014 edition was the Netherlands. Second question, who won the 2006 Hockey World Championship Cup? Answer, Germany won the 2006 Hockey World Championship Cup. Third question, which country lost in the final match in 2010? Answer, Germany lost in the final match in 2010. Fourth question, in the 2023 edition, blank won and blank lost the final match. So the answer is Germany won and Belgium lost the final match. Fifth question, give the opposite meaning of winner. So the answer is loser. Activity 5. Read the story, change of heart and answer the question. First question, how old was Prabhat? Answer, Prabhat was 12 years old. Second question, what was Prabhat good at? Answer, Prabhat was good at badminton. Third, was Surya an excellent badminton player? Answer, yes, Surya was an excellent badminton player. Fourth question, Prabhat could accept the defeat. True or false? Answer, false. Fifth question, Prabhat was suspended from badminton for blank months. For 6 months. Sixth question, give the opposite meaning of honest. Answer, dishonest. Activity 6, write 5 to 7 sentences about Dhyanchand. Answer, Dhyanchand was a famous Indian hockey player. He was born on 29 August 1905. In Allahabad, he was known as the Wizard of Hockey because of his excellent skill. He helped Wizard India win 3 Olympic gold medals in hockey. He loved his country and made India proud. His birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. Activity 7. The Determined and the Mountain of Sugar. Once, in a vibrant green meadow, there was a little ant named Kea. She was small, but she had a big dream to gather enough sugar to make her anthill the sweetest in the whole meadow. One sunny morning, Kea spotted a mountain of sugar across a rocky path. Her eyes sparkled with determination, and she set off on her journey. The path wasn't easy. Sharp stones poked her tiny feet, and a strong wind tried to push her back. Other ants laughed at and said, "Why are you trying so hard, Kea? You'll never move that much sugar." But Kea didn't stop. She told herself, one step at a time, one grain at a time. She reached the sugar mountain and began carrying one tiny grain back home. Each trip was exhausting, but she kept going, day after day, never losing hope. Weeks passed, and the other ants noticed something amazing. Kea's home was now surrounded by a sparkling pile of sugar, more than anyone had ever seen. Her hard work and preservations had paid off. The once doubtful ants were inspired by her efforts. Kea, you have shown us that nothing is impossible if we work hard and stay determined, they said. From that day on, Kea became a hero and her story was told to every young ant in the meadow. Read the story and fill in the blanks. First, blank was the name of the ant. Answer is Kea. Second, the ant was small but her dreams were blank, big. Third, the sharp stone poked her blank feet. Answer, tiny. Fourth, she reached the blank and began carrying one blank back home. So the answer is she reached the sugar and began carrying on tiny grain back home. Fifth, Kea became a blank and her story was told to every blank in the meadow. Answer, Kea became a hero and her story was told to every young ant in the meadow. Activity 8. Match A with B. A સાથે B મેચ કરવાનો છે. સો ફર્સ્ટ કીધું છે કોલ. સો કોલ માટે આન્સર આવશે કોલ્ડ. સેકન્ડ છે બીકમ. સો એની માટે આન્સર આવશે બીકેમ. થર્ડ છે વિન. એની માટે આન્સર છે વન. ફોર્થ પ્લે. સો એની માટે આન્સર છે પ્લેડ. ફિફ્થ કીપ. તો એની માટે છે જવાબ kept. સિક્સ છે અવોર્ડ. તો એની પાસે આન્સર છે awarded. 7 છે receive. તો એની માટે આન્સર છે received. 8 છે fill. સો એની માટે આવશે filled. 9 છે show. એની માટે showed. and 10 છે leave. તો એની માટે આવશે lived. Next activity, activity 9. Choose the most appropriate option from the bracket and complete the dialogue. એટલે કે આપણને વાક્યો પૂર્ણ કરવાના છે કૌંસમાં આપેલા શબ્દોનો ઉપયોગ કરીને. તો ચાલો જોઈએ. Shweta says, "Hi Jyotika, where are you yesterday?" Jyotika says, "I was at garden in sector 28 Gandhinagar." Shweta says, "Did you enjoy there?" Jyotika says, "Yes, we did. We also ate pani puri at Panchdev temple." Shweta says, "Wow, that's good. Did you watch movie at the theater?" Jyoti says, "Yes, we did. We also visited Mahatma Mandir." Shweta says, "Great." Activity 10. Study the example and write what Adya did yesterday. Adya's yesterday. Example, Adya went to Gandhinagar yesterday. Go and went. First, she watched movie last week. Second, she purchased new purse yesterday. Third, she ate pizza last morning. Fourth, she made new paper boat last night. Fifth, she played chess with her friend last month. Activity 11. Read the passage, classify and write the sentences. Ayushi is planning to visit Sashangir. She visited Sashangir last year. She is making a list of places. She is taking extra luggage with her this time. Last time she forgot some important things at home. She is going with her family. She called her friend Shweta for help. Shweta helped her in her packing. She booked a hotel room for her friend too. Ayushi is putting her clothes in the bag. Before she visited Shasangir, now she is planning to visit Shasangir. So before, last time, she forgot some important things at home. Now she is making a list of places. Before, she called her friend Shweta for help. Now she is taking extra luggage with her. Before, Shweta helped her in her packing. Now she is going with her family. Activity 12. Read the passage and rewrite it as directed. Zihan enjoyed his vacation. He visited Somnath temple during vacation. He prayed to God. He stayed at Dharamshala. He watched a laser show in the evening. He played in the sand at the beach. He called some children to play with him. Start like this. Zihan enjoys his vacation. He visits Somnath temple during vacations. He prays to God. He stays at Dharamshala. He watches a laser show in the evening. He plays in the sand at the beach. He calls some children to play with him. Activity 13. Write the missing letters. એટલે કે જે ખાલી જગ્યા આપી છે એમાં લેટર્સ લખીને આપણે પૂર્ણ કરવાની છે. તો ચલો જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ છે ડિટેક્ટર, સેકન્ડ છે હોકી, થર્ડ છે ક્વિક, ફોર્થ છે પેટ્રિયોટ, ફિફ્થ છે કમ્પાઉન્ડ, સિક્સ છે અવોર્ડ, સેવન્થ એ છે બેડમિન્ટન, 8 છે સ્કોર, 9 છે ક્યુનિંગ, 10 છે સિરમન. એક્ટિવિટી 14. ક્લાસિફાય ધ વર્ડ્સ અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધ મેન્શન સ્પોર્ટ. સો ક્રિકેટ માટે અને ચેસ માટે આપણે અલગ પાડવાના છે વર્ડ્સને. ફર્સ્ટ ક્રિકેટ, બોલર, અમ્પાયર, બેટ, વાઇડ, વિકેટ કીપર, બેટ્સમેન. ચેસ માટે ગ્રેન્ડ માસ્ટર, પોન્સ, કિંગ, ક્વીન, ચેકમેટ. આગળની એક્ટિવિટી જોવા માટે અહીં આપેલી એન્ડ સ્ક્રીન પર ક્લિક કરો. થેન્ક યુ.